Alright, well, today is the day. Kinda, sorta. I'm gonna get the motor in the car today. I'm gonna button a couple things up, get it in the car, kinda like mock some stuff up, and yeah, we'll go from there. So real quick, before I get the start getting the motor in the car later this evening, just because I still need to get the cherry picker out of Reed's car, which he's gone and his car's locked and I don't have his keys, so kinda gotta wait for that. And plus I'm going to need a little bit of help just because of always putting a motor in is always a pain in the ass for some reason. So right now what I'm going to do, Dakota's here, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start getting like the fuel regulator in, I'm going to get the fuel filter in, I'm going to get the oil filter in. If you guys watched my last video, I think I explained it, or I explained it on Instagram, but I wasn't going to put the oil filter on yet because I got to get an adapter because I'm going to get gauges. But for right now, I'm going to get everything together so I can put oil in the motor and get it ready because I need to do a compression test before I spend, you know, like $300-400 on gauges. So the one gauge I will buy right off the bat is going to be an AFR gauge. Everyone says I need that at least right off the bat. All the other gauges like an oil temp, oil pressure, all that stuff can wait. But for right now, I just want to make sure that this motor is going to be healthy enough to run. So if not, we're just gonna pull it out and I'm gonna send it somewhere to get rebuilt because I'm done trying to do stuff on my own. So with all that, I'll show you guys what fuel filter I'm gonna use. It's a big one. So to do turbo stuff, a lot of people use this fuel filter when they do turbo KAs. So what happened here? Hey, since I'm vlogging, I might as well just finish this story. So another stud broke on the exhaust manifold. It was my fault, but it wasn't at the same time because I was threading the nut on. And I was just getting it snugged with the wrench just to compress the gasket to let it cure. But so what happened was I was tightening, not tightening, but I was tightening down this nut, and then I was just gonna snug it with the wrench so the gasket could compress a little bit and then cure over 24 hours. But as soon as I went to snug it, it just went loose. Like it just spun all the way around. I'm like, no way did I just strip that. And then I pulled the wrench off and the stud just fell. And I'm like, dude, god damn it. So anyways, there's the OEM fuel filter and this is the new one. You can tell by the size difference of why you would use this one. So Z32 fuel filter is kind of the replacement that most people do with these when they upgrade their fueling system.
NA, or is that for this one turbo?
It doesn't matter, they're both the same. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff replaced and then kind of do all this stuff off camera until I get to the fuel regulator, and then I'll be back. All right, so kind of update on the fuel regulator. My dumbass totally forgot it was one of the ones that you don't put back where OEM goes, but I don't feel comfortable about this adapter. I don't know, it just doesn't seem like it fits like how it should. I mean, I get that I might just have to screw it in and it'll be okay, but I don't know, man. How the hell? I mean, it looks like, I don't know. It's hard to like hold the camera and like look at it at the same time and kind of see where it lines up. I don't know how I feel about that. So unless I'm doing it wrong and usually more like at an angle like that, like, I don't know. No, dude, that's like way off. So I don't know, maybe this is gonna have to wait just because that adapter doesn't seem right. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll see if anybody has an extra one laying around. But yeah. So anyways, so I'm gonna wait till the motor is in the car pretty much for everything else because this was the one thing I thought I was gonna be able to do, but I'm actually gonna mount it somewhere else. But what I could do actually is right now I could actually start mocking up the turbo a little bit. Maybe I'll go pull the turbo, mock up the lines and everything, and kind of like see how it's gonna be placed. So I don't know, maybe we'll do that next. So, because I gotta wait. So cherry picker, like I said, is in the car. Reed's still not here, so I gotta wait to get that out of the car anyways. Let me see about mocking up the turbo right now and seeing how everything's gonna fit right there. Everybody say hi to Devin right now.
No, hi Devin.
Hi Devin. Hi Devin. I didn't expect all these people to show up. Ah!
Whatever.
Well, I really didn't expect, because I hit Keaton up at like 4? I'm like, hey.
No one expects me.
And then he just hit me up.
I just called him. I was like, Keaton.
Well, I hit him up.
He was like Eden. And I was like,
Keaton's eating?
Well, you should come over.
Keaton's
And
eating.
he was like, I'll think about it. I might. And I was like, nah, you'll come over. All right, bye.
Well, then you guys
I
said
showed
party,
up.
and I was like, we bang. Let's
You
go.
showed up before me.
I was like, Josh, let's go
Yeah, I
party.
was here like an hour ago, pretty much.
Really?
So
When he showed up,
while they are debating and doing their thing, I ended up mocking up the turbo a little bit, and so far everything's fitting nicely. So we're gonna get it in and then actually start putting the stuff we mocked up, and then mock up the rest of the stuff. And I didn't get a compression tester, so we're probably just gonna drop it in. Well, don't know where my magnet is. Anyways, check it out. Motor's in. Look at that. Boom.
Yep.
Bada bing, bada boom. I don't have my compression tester tonight. Maddie didn't bring that over. We're gonna do it the poor man way and just manually crank it and listen to the compression stroke, pretty much.
Ooh, that was loose. Ooh, that was really loose. What about this one? Pretty much. They're all.
I just do a quarter turn.
Did you put these in?
No,
No, I was gonna say.
but that's what I do.
The first one is tight. Well, that was like.
Probably just like, okay. So, Devin's gonna hold the camera.
Hi.
And you're gonna point it. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna have sex.
Oh.
Where did you put that wrench that I gave you that had my big ass socket on it?
Why is it all red?
Oh, red means I'm in focus.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah,
That's
make sure
lit.
it is red. Make sure it's lit.
Yeah. Hi. I'm working on Riley's. So this is an Eclipse IS400.
An Eclipse IS.
Hold on,
We just threw a 2FZ in this bitch.
Bro, you probably stuck it to something metal.
Bro, you're right. Probably.
That.
Big up, bro. Oh. Okay. You know what is magnetized though?
My nuts.
No, I was using it last night and then the fucking spider, man. Spider scared me, dude. I don't know where my magnet is. Half of this job is finding fucking tools.
Hey, where'd my 14 go?
Oh, that's my pocket.
Good. Keep it there.
Let's find out what is in my bag. Here it is.
Oh, dude, hell yeah. You have a magnet. Thank you. Me love you a long time. Here you go.
No, what the fuck? Alright. Yes.
Alright, let's see. Wait, I want to see the spark. Dude, these are fucking brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, what the hell?
How we just put them in?
And never fired the fucking motor afterwards?
He fired it. Look at him.
Oh, he did fire them.
Definitely fired it. Ooh, that one's
Ooh,
neat.
yeah.
I don't want him.
Well, hold on to him so I can...
I don't want them.
There's no oil in there, so...
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, the downstroke right there is one.
Ooh, that sounded alright.
So now which one's firing? This one? Or the front? And you figure out which way it fires.
Like any other 4-cylinder.
Okay, so downstroke is upstroke right here on this one, I think. That one was good. I like that one.
Just hold your hand on
Yeah,
one
I'm
until...
just on dinner, I know. So, tell you when this one goes. Here's the first one.
How'd that one feel?
Good. Just gonna see if they're equal. They all sound good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do this front one though. Do it again.
What does it say?
Yeah.
Sick.
Sick.
Fucky cluck fuck.
Alright, so with that, I'm gonna finish mocking stuff up. I might put some turbo stuff on and then show you guys, but I think that's pretty much all I can do tonight. A lot of the other stuff is like I just have to wait till like I gotta get that fuel regulator adapter, and then I can do my fuel regulator. The fuel pump's in. I need to get some gauges. I gotta put oil in it. Yeah, there's just a bunch of stuff. So right now I'm just gonna start bolting everything up, that like the transmission, stuff like that, motor mounts, and then yeah, we'll kind of go from there. So.
Did you even tighten crush washers or new crush yet?
Bang bang ski ski.
Maybe ski ski. So we'll be right back. We'll be right back. Dang, I'm so excited to see a motor in this car again. Anyways, I've been busting my ass off. I'm currently just buttoning everything up. Keaton did some of the wiring, put the throttles on. I might actually have to tighten these, but there's a lot of stuff I got to do. Since I'm running a new ECU, I think running the starter thing I had, I'm going to disconnect it. I'm going to try the ignition because I have a new ECU. So maybe the security thing is disabled. I don't know. I don't know if it's ran off the ECU or what. I didn't find a fuse or relay or anything for it, so I don't know, man. So this is pretty much just going to be putting it together. I'm going to come back at you when I have a video with mocking up the turbo and everything. I'm pretty much going to put everything together I possibly can. Maddie is going to bring me my compression tester tomorrow or this week. I'm still going to do that if I can. If not, Keaton was pretty much like promising me that it was good. It was really good compression. He said it felt really, really good. So I don't know. I want to trust the motor, but I'm also really nervous because if this one goes, I'm going to be really, really, really upset. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. It's been a hell of a time. I can't wait to have this done. And thank you guys for sticking around and watching these. I'll see you guys all in the next one. So there is going to be some like daily, every other day content coming up for a while because I am investing all my time in this right now. So I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great night or day or week. Okay, bye.